Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Bafowethu nginibingelele ngithi into ongayazi inkulu kunawe. Wengane kwethu ngifuna ukuqinisekisa ukuthi we are Phakela Umthakathi and Phakela Umthakathi is us. Njengamanje we are Phakela Umthakathi and Phakela Umthakathi is us. Uyabona ngane kwethu ayikho into epetula umoya njengokuthi ubone kushawa edonsayo. Umuntu aphumele obala asukume ukusiza umphakathi. Yabona ngane kwethu umsebenzi owenziwe uphakela umthakathi ukuthi anxenxe amabutho, anxenxe izinsizwa emahostela together with ungizwe ukuyosupporta iMarch and March, ukuyosupporta uMangobese. Bafowethu akuwona umsebenzi olula loyo. Ebese kuqhamuka abantu nje mfowethu besuthi abakusuthi singazi ukuthi basuke bedleni. Kubuhlungu lokho. Uyabona njengamanje angimufuni umuntu ohlula ukuthi azobonga okuhle kumuntu owenza okuhle for abantu base South Africa ebese akhetha ukuthi uzoma endleleni yomuntu owenza okuhle for abantu. Uyabona nje lento yokuthi kushawe edonsayo mina angiyifuni lonto le. Angiyifuni. Yingakho ke ngizodeclare ngithi we are Phakela Umthakathi and Phakela Umthakathi is us. Uma ngisho njalo hayi ukuthi ngoba angibabongi abanye. Ngiyambonga ungizwe, ngiyambonga uMangobese. Kodwa njengamanje into ithi isuke kwasekuplano kwaplothwa ukuthi umuntu okufuneke of-brand noma o-aggressive la kwi-ground force uPhakela Umthakathi. Umuntu ngempela o-targeted uPhakela Umthakathi. Yabo. And uma ngithi ngiyayibheka ngizibuza ukuthi okay, did uPhakela Umthakathi facilitated ukuthi abe nomhlangano nomongameli? Cha. Akusiyena uPhakela Umthakathi ohlanganise lento ukuthi abe nomhlangano nomongameli. Yabo? Kodwa asisekho lapho. Akusenendaba ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Yabo? Uma kuthiwa uPhakela Umthakathi udayise ngomzabalazo, ungadayisa umzabalazo ngo-3 million. 3 million udayisa umzabalazo ngo-3 million. Yini u-3 million ozokwenzela yona? Ungakubeka phi uzokwenzelani 3 million? The same Phakela Umthakathi lo owadeclare ukuthi sebeke bam-ofarisha u-10 million wawunqaba u-10 million. Ebese sivele sivumele nje abantu ukuthi beqhamuke nethulo lomona lomhobholo. Ngisazokhuluma ngalento, akazi uyiyeka lento. Until abenzi bokubi abathakathi beze beyilungise le nonsense. Ngoba ushidi lo. Igciwane leli, i-COVID le. I-plan yokuthi kuplothwe ukuthi kudicilelwe phansi isithunzi somuntu osebenza kanzima for abantu bezwe, osebenza kanzima for abantu base South Africa. Mina yangiyisa lento le. Guys, we are fighting for survival njengamanje. Besikade singenamuntu abantu ama-politician bezenzela kuthina. We are now fighting for survival. Sifayithela ukuphila njengamanje. Ngoba for 32 years sihlezi singenathemba lamuthi singenalutho. Siphila sidwanguze ebumnyameni. Kukhona ama-politician ekhonela ilutho, ekhonela mahala, ebhizi entshontsha edla imali, ebhizi enza izikemu zama-project angenamsebenzi engasizi ngalutho singabantu. Yes. So yini ebiyenzeka? Ayikho into ebiyenzeka. ebese kuzoshaya uphakela umthakathi aplothelwe esibuka. Mina ngangize ngivumele. Funeke sisukume sibe yi-voice for abantu abakwazi ukusimela bafowethu. Abantu abakwazi ukusimela basukume. Funeke nathi sisukume sibe yi-voice ukuthi no, enough is enough. Singavumi ukuthi kube khona abantu abazofuna ukucindezela uphakela umthakathi ebese siyathula. Iphoyinti lesibili engifuna ukulibeka yileli lokuthi ngake ngayenza ividiyo ukuthi asisukumaneni bafowethu sifakeni something esikhwameni esithizeni, ukuthi akube khona isikhwama esithizeni ukuthi asifakeni esikufakayo abo-200, abo-500, abo-1000, but start as little as 10 rand usiyele phezulu. Sifakeni kube khona isikhwama ukuze sigweme lezi zinto lokhu kuqhamuka abantu nama-narratives ukuthi hayi lo muntu no. Besingekho isidingo sokuthi kuze kube khona i-briefing ezoba khona ukuthi iyocekela uphakela umthakathi. I-plot ugibe lolu. Noma ngabe kunabo ubufakazi-ke, keep it into yourself. Mina ngifuni kwabufakazi. Angizi ukuze mina ngize ngikunikeze ngempela ilungelo phezu kwempilo yomunye umuntu ukuthi woza nobufakazi bokufuna ukuzomdicilela phansi. Ngoba ukube ngempela ukuthi I believe ukuthi ukushilo nawo uMaNciza ukuthi bake bahlangana nophakela umthakathi kwakhona izinto uphakela umthakathi azishoyo kumuntu othi ubrother wakhe. And usethatha lezo zinto usezoyisebenzisa against uphakela umthakathi. Yindaba abantu uMaNciza engabizi uphakela umthakathi behlangane ekhoneni beyilungisa ukuthi mfowethu ngiyakusola la nala, uyomsola lowo muntu kuqala ebese uza kuthina public usuzothi ngibe nomhlangano kanje ngosuku othizeni sakhuluma ngokuthi and then wakushintsha lokhu angakwenza lokhu jikijiki usuya public. No, itulo lokudicilela igama likaphakela umthakathi, and it is wrong. And kufuneka ilungiswe ngoba bakhona abantu abangambiza uMaNciza behlale naye phansi bakhulume naye. Bakhona abantu abangambiza futhi uphakela umthakathi behlale naye phansi behlanganiswe, but kudinga la kuthelelwana manje. uMaNciza nawe unela khona into yakhe ayizamela yona ayidonsa khona, kodwa kuvela manje engazi ukuthi mhlampe kwi-march and march nawo ubeyizela eyisupporta ngeyakhe i-agenda. Asazi, but indlela okwenzeka ngayo it is wrong. Bekungafanele, it was uncalled for. Bekungafanele kwenze ngendlela okwenza ngabo. Njengamanje umuntu osebenzela umphakathi njengophakela umthakathi akufanele adicilelwe phansi ngale ndlela. Kwenzeke zonke izinto. Ngiyanizwa nina lokho enifuna ukuthi hayi kwakukhona ozoso benza nani. Asifune amavidiyo azokhishwa ozoso. We need ukuthi kusetshenzweni mangabe sithi abahambe. Imigqiqo ye-march and march ibaluleke kakhulu and isebenza kahle mayisebenza noNgizwe nophakela umthakathi. And futhi noma ngabe iyakhoshwa lo mali ivimbe bani. Sibile nomhla ka-30 ube successful imasha ngomhla ka-30. Akuzange kuphazamiseke. So-ke that 3 million it was for what? If kukuthi-ke ubukhona. It was for nothing. Awusebenzeli lutho. So why we should have focused on that? Ayibanga successful yini imarch? Ibe successful imarch. So we have to stop ukuthi sizocindezela abantu okuyibona abasebenzayo. Asiyistophishe loo nto leyo. MaNciza mfowethu, uma kuwukuthi ubufuna ukusupport i-march and march, support i-march and march. Ngaphandle kokuthi uzofuna ukubheka ukuthi ubani wenzeni. Lekho akusikhona kwakho ukuthi ubani wenzeni. Ibeke eceleni nje leyo. Support i-march and march. Uyeke uNgizwe phansi, uyeke uphakela umthakathi phansi, uyeke uJacinta phansi. These people banama-private entity wabo. They need to work. Akusetshenzweni, let's march and march until we win. We are phakela umthakathi and phakela umthakathi is us. Asenzeni okubalekile kufuneka sikwenze. Singazama ukubheka eceleni. Asimasheni. Useshilo phakela umthakathi uthi amamasha aqhubeka from umhla 16 ziyakhala. Ayizonde kabi. Dango.
This man is calling out South Africans and those that are against Phakela Mthakathi to say Phakela Mthakathi is us and we are Phakela Mthakathi. We will defend him from the haters. This comes after his media briefing meeting, which has left like everyone divided. Even today, until today, everyone is still divided because we are all still questioning everything. What was the meeting about? What really went down? And remember, there are people that are defending him and there are people that are against what he did, which this man right here is one of those that is defending him, to say we will defend him. We don't have to follow everything that we see on social media, because like, remember, he was offered 10 million and he rejected 10 million. How can someone reject 10 million and go for 3 million? Which on that 3 million, they're saying 1.5, which, nah. I don't know, guys. I really don't know, but please say your thoughts down below in the comment section. Do you think someone will leave 10,000 and go for 1.5? It doesn't make any sense. To me, it doesn't make any sense. If for real he was offered that 10 million and they rejected it, I don't think there is any need for him to take the 1.5, even if it's 3 million. There is no need. I don't like, guys, I don't know if I'm the only one, but it doesn't make any sense. But say your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think he was offered the 10 million and rejected it and then take the 1.5 or the 3 million? But hey, guys, you know what? This one is very complicated, man. It is very, very complicated, because of the statement that he said before, which is about the 10 million. And now people are saying about the 1.5 or 3 million. If that's the case, then nah, it doesn't make any sense to me.